Yeah, good day everyone. I welcome you to another episode of Mathemagic with Ali. Good day everyone. I welcome you to another edition of Mathemagic with Ali Abdulhakim. So today we'll be talking about number-based system. What do you understand by number-based? We'll start with the introductory part. In the next episode, we'll be talking about how we can convert from other base to the same and the like. So let's talk about number-based system. From the word number-based, we can see we can split it into two. We have number and we have base. So what is number? Can be any figure, a natural number, a whole number, an integer, and so on. So it can be zero, it can be one, it can be two, it can be three, it can be four, and so on. What about base? Base is just like, from the understanding of base, it's just like the starting point. It's the starting point, just like the starting point. So when we have this, when we combine this, bringing numbers and base together, so we are just talking about a number starting from a particular point. So we can say number-based system. Number-based system. Number-based system is a system. Is a system of writing to express numbers. To express numbers. Let's take for instance now. If I have 12 and I have n here, invariably my n here is my base, and it will be in a figure: base 2, base 3, base 4. Why this is the number? It's like the base is the starting number, starting point for that particular number that we are talking about. So the base also can be called radix, can also be called radix. So we have different types of number-based systems that we can talk about. What are the different types of number system that we can talk about? So we have binary, we have ternary, we have quaternary, we have quinary, we have ternary, we have septenary, we also have octave, we have nonary, and we have denary. So this one is what? This one is 2, this one is base 3, this one is base 4, this one is base 5, this one is base 6, this one is base 7, this one is base 8, this one is base 9, and this one is what? Base 10. So when you see binary, we are talking about a base 2 number. When you see octal, we are talking about a base 8 number. When you see nonary, we are talking about a base 9 number. But we have 4 particular ones. They are most generally used. They are most generally used. The 4 most generally used number-based systems 1. Binary. 2. Octal. 3. Decimal or denary. 4. Hexadecimal. So these four are generally used. Right from what we stated here, we have different types of number base. We have base 2, base 3. We also have base numbers that are greater than base 10. It does not stop at base 10. We have base 20, we have base 60. So, but these four are generally used. We have binary, we use it in computer, 01, 01, on and off. We use it in computer. So let's talk about these four that we have here. The first one is binary. So how do we arrive at that acronym of binary for base 2? From the word bi, I'm talking about what? 2. So we know it as what? Base 2. So when we have a base number to the base 2, what are the range of values? You know, numbers start from what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you understand? Natural numbers, they start from 0 to 9. So for this one now, the range of values are 0 and 1. That's for binary. The range of values are what? 0 and 1. And that means we are talking about base 2. The number of values, the number of numerical values there must be what? Must be 2. So let's look at the second one now. The second one is what? Octal. What is from the word octagon? When we are talking about polygon, from the word octagon, you can talk about octa. So this one, and we know octagon in polygon is what? Is 8. That's 8-sided polygon shape. So this one is called what? Base 8. So what are the range of values? The range of values, the range of values are what? Are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's look at the next one. The next one here is called what? Decimal or denary. When we talk about decimal numbers, when we talk about decimal numbers, they are numbers in what? In tens. When we talk about your place value now, 0, 1, 0, units, tens, hundred, thousand. So this one is what? Base 10. This one is base 10. So what are the range? The range of values, the range of values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and what? And 9. And the last one we have here is what? It's called hexadecimal. So from the word, I have hexa. What is hexa? Hexagon. That's a six-sided polygon shape. This one is 6 plus what is decimal? My decimal here is what? 10. So that means I'm talking about what? The base 16. So we now have to split it. What are the range of values for my decimal number? For my decimal numbers, they are what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and what? And 9. What about the hexa? We have six numbers, but they are all represented in what? In letters. That are the numbers. They are all represented in what? In letters. So let's talk about the hexa now. So that means this 10, A, 11, B, 12, C, 13, B, 14, E, and 15, F. So that means the range of values, the range of values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, and F, which is what? 15. So we've been able to establish binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. So we have to also note, note that the standard base, the standard base, the standard base for numbers is base 10. Illustrate here. Let's say, for instance, I have 52 minus 13. So for this one now, how do I do this? I have tens, I have my tens, and I have my units. So I have 52 minus 13. What do I do here now? 2 minus 3 is not possible. So what do I do? Following the normal ritual, I'll say I'm going to borrow 1. But if I borrow 1, if I add it to the 2, what will it give us? If I'm supposed to borrow 1 here, I'll borrow 1 from this 5. That will be minus 1. So this one will become what? 4. So if I bring the 1 here, 1 plus 2 is supposed to give us 3. But I'm not borrowing 1. I'm borrowing 1, but the numbers are in what? They are all in base 10. So I'm borrowing 1, which is what? 10. So that will become 10 minus 10 plus 2. That's 12. 12 minus 3. That is 9. And 4 minus 1 will give us what? 3. So this one is what? Base 10, base 10. So standard base for all numbers are in what? Are in base 10. So we meet in the next episode where we'll be talking about the conversion from base 10 to other base and from other base to base 10 and the rest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.